welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, I want to welcome you. You are tuning into Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. And so guys, in today's video I'm going to be making zucchini eggs. So in this container here I have my bell peppers, yellow, green and red. I have some green onions, purple onions, regular onion, and garlic. I have here 2 zucchinis that I went ahead washed and sliced, 3 eggs, which I'll be using only 1 of the yolk. So basically I'm just using 2 whites and 1 yolk. My salt, coconut oil, and my black pepper. So guys, without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. So guys, over here on the stove I have coconut oil in this pan that is already heated. So at this point guys, I'm just gonna add my green onions or scallion, my purple onions, regular onions, and my garlic. And also I have here like 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add that as well. And also my bell peppers. And I'm just gonna let this saute for a bit. So guys, a minute into sauteing, I'm now gonna add my zucchini. And I'm doing this gradually. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little black pepper. Then I stir that in. So guys, at this point the zucchini is right where I want it to be. So we're gonna go ahead and break our eggs. And I've stated I'll only be using 1 of the egg yolk. Add a little salt and black pepper.